G'day guys, welcome back. We're staying in New South Wales at Adelong, and we're joined by a lovely little family, Jack, Em and Caleb.
G'day.
And we're going to be exploring around Adelong, around the gold heritage, a little bit down by the river. We haven't been here before. It's a little bit different from last time because we're actually staying in a house instead of camping. But that's how it is. So let's get into it. So assuming this is all the ruins from the gold mill.
Yeah. 100%. And they're big, I don't know what that chimney's for.
Pretty cool. We'll head down a bit closer and we'll get the drone up. So we've been panning for a little bit. Bad news is, I've not found any nuggets, but there is lots and lots and lots of tiny little gold flakes absolutely everywhere. But it's so damn small that you probably can't get it. But there is gold in there. So we'll keep going. AM.
Yes, we're trying.
Try to find that big nugget so I don't have to work ever again.
In no time.
So we're literally just looking on top of the surface and we are literally finding, let me get the camera like this, we're literally finding gold.
Oh, there's another one. Look,
Can't focus.
There was his name though.
We're literally finding gold literally on the surface. And these little crevices right here. Holy shit.
Another one?
I can be panning this.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm
We'll
getting
give this
some.
a go in the water. See what we get.
Yep. Oh, I thought you got in the water then.
Yeah, so it's still the same as last time. Super small flakes. Little lumpy. It's just too small to be able to collect. Right, get looking. So, panning sucks. You seem to find a lot more, literally just on the ground.
Hold it up to the sun.
Can't get close enough with the camera. But
No, we'll pour them out when we get home.
yeah.
We'll pour them out
So,
on the table.
at the end of the day, we'll go over our finds, and we can't weigh it because we got nothing to weigh it for because we didn't expect to even find any gold here. But turns out it is everywhere, just laying on the ground.
Yeah, there's literally like two bits right next to each other. Bang bang. They're not very big, but two bits bang bang.
Oh, we keep finding small stuff.
all adds
eventually
up.
add up.
There's a bit there. Have you even got your eyes open, James?
No.
Maybe I'm like honed in on gold right now. I'm just like fucking.
Oh, there's one right there.
Look at that.
Yeah,
they're
there you
not
go.
huge bits, but.
Right there in front of my pinky.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little shining.
I wonder if this is fool's gold and where the fools.
Alright. So this is our find so far.
Oh,
That works too.
Can't get clear.
You get the pan.
That's decent.
Just shake it around.
James, here's another huge one.
I just found a good one
Another
by
one?
shuffling it around in the pan.
Oh, there we go. Put him to the
Oh,
pile.
there's one. Yeah, stop.
Yeah, I know. I'm just sitting down.
You got more?
Yeah. It's a bit of a rock too.
Yeah, that's another large one. Oh yeah.
Oh, why would these foxy ones only get large ones?
Okay, so we've hit a little bit of a jackpot here because we're finding nuggets now.
Oh wow.
Once again, just on the hand.
Yeah, okay.
Look at all that. Listen to this.
Hey, good job, Daddy. Pat on the back for you.
The cow's find one. Alright, well, I think we're done here. I'm going to go back to town and grab some lunch and probably head back to the house. So, we'll figure out what we're going to do next. Jack's cooking up an absolute storm. Yeah. Oh, lamb. Slow cooked lamb. Jack, I think you've done good, mate.
That's not done yet, mate. When it's done, you'll be like.
How bloody good is that? Should be alright. Jack, how long did you say this meat was cooking for?
About 9 hours, mate.
9 hours.
9 hours.
9 hours slow
9
cooked meat.
hours. It's cooked for smoked for about 3 hours. And then I buttered it in the chicken stock, Worcestershire and Jack Daniels. And then cooked for the next 6 hours.
Cooked for a long time.
For a long time.
Very good.
This is going to be awesome.
You want more? Yeah, Mum's coming.
Meal for kings for kids.
Now we're on our way to our next little cabin for the next few days. And apparently it is good fishing, so we finally can have a spot where we can do some fishing. So fishing is on the go.
And this time, hopefully, we can catch something and cook it.
Yeah, because we seem to say every single time we're going to catch a fish and have it for dinner, and we never catch anything that we can keep. Hopefully this time we'll be able to catch something. Alright guys, well, we've just got to Gundagai and we heard about this bush ranger, Captain Moonlight. So I've come up to the cemetery to see his grave. Pretty cool. So we just arrived at our little cabin here. We'll be staying here for the next few days and we're right on the river right here. So this is where we'll be doing a bit of fishing, hopefully. Well, we did a bit of fishing yesterday. As always, we didn't catch anything. I think the river current's just too strong or something. But it's a new day and we're not really doing much today. I think we're heading off this afternoon anyway, so probably gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time, guys.